What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this gorgeous 1957 Chevy Bel Air Hardtop. Black, two-tone interior, red, done right. Power steering, 283 V8 engine, recently rebuilt. Tri-power setup on top with a stock manifold. Automatic transmission, Flowmaster Dual Exhaust system that sounds amazing. All the glass around this car is in great shape. All the chrome is just chromy. It looks good. Look at that fin. Look at how beautiful this car is. It's artwork. Body's in good shape. Older paint, but shines amazing. Look at how nice it is. This car's been well taken care of. I love the skirts. Come on now. That's a beautiful car. My. All right. Let's get a little personal here. Look how nice this chrome front bumper is. Everything's intact the way it should be. Your lights and turn signals are working properly the way they should. Lines up great. Look at the bullets in front. All the chrome is great around the bezels. Front fender in good shape. Couple little flaws in the paint that I see. Got to get off it maybe a foot. It's gone. But I see it and I want you to know about it. I mean, granted, it's a 57. Lines up great to the fender, to the door, as well as the door to the quarter. No flaws in the door paint. I take that back. There's a little tiny hiccup down here. I mean, you can see me through it. That's how well it shines. Rear quarter in good shape. All the chrome where the Bel Air is. Nice. Roof line good. Chrome around the rear window, which is in good shape all the way through. Trunk lines up excellent. Chrome around the fins are good. Rear bumper's in good shape. All the chrome's shining properly. Tiny little scuffs here and there, but nothing really to mention out. Rear quarter on passenger side. I don't see any flaws in the paint. All the chrome is good. A couple tiny little pit marks in here, but if I get off, you really don't see them. A quarter of the door lines up good. All your passenger glass is good, as well as your driver's glass, vent windows. Dual chrome mirrors. Lines up well on the fender to the door, and your big chrome molding's in good shape all the way throughout. Your wheels and tires, well, that one you really can't see, but I know it's good. Beautiful. Look at this interior. Beautiful. Rear deck is good. Headliner great. Sun visors are intact. Door panel great. All your weather stripping's in good shape all the way throughout. Super clean underneath the car as well. 69,511 miles. How nice the dash is. Let's go around to the other side. All your carpets and mats are in good shape. Weather stripping's good. All your windows are operable the way they should be. This car's been loved. Let me grab the key, go pop that trunk. Spare tire intact. Nice, nice, nice inside here. Look how clean it is underneath here. How's that set up? Power steering. All your hoses, belts in good shape. Beautiful, beautiful engine compartment. Nice car. Let's fire this baby up. Up, live TV. Get the wipers are working, but they're not shutting off, so I will get that fixed. So nice sounding. Nice and clean underneath here. Nice and quiet. Nice car. I just got done driving it. It drives beautiful. No funky noises. Goes through the gears good. Stops fine. Just a nice, solid, great car. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, Go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% minimum down, up to 84 months financing. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, up to 84 months approval within 24 hours. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, video, and pictures are online. If you have any questions on any of that, you could call me, as well as call me if you have any questions on shipping. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured to your door, opened and enclosed. You can reach me by calling me or texting me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes outside O'Hare Airport. We're open 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, 10 to 2 on Saturday, by appointment only. Call me or text me. I'll get you in. Again, that number is 773-600-0919. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like us on Facebook. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this 1957 Chevy Bel Air's video. If you're interested, please get a hold of me. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.